My name is Apostle Jeffrey in Egbenehi. So, what is happening in our land is difficult and it's wonderful. And our people is running away out of this land. And we are here today. Since yesterday, we have been moving this movement because of our late brother they just butchered in Ukoni land. He's a man with a large heart, a man that put tears on people's faces. And this is a person that removed sorrow away from people. But today is no more. Oye komo boy, oye mi amek boy, oba komo you, oba know where you. Ewo boy that choy, that boy that jino ga that boy. And last week, this very brother although distribute food to less privileged. And that is any no luwanu romina or logbera age no so eboseka. Just 30 years old. Or the government personal pocket or help here will not help. But today they caught him and killed him. Since yesterday we have been in this movement. My tribe no them ask about me or tell now that general and man. So Makimio Yoki Tamamagi, now because of the result of insecurity in the land or a cost living. But now they are going to raise security in this land to fight the battle. I don't outside the next security. Man believe this about Kondo market city. The youth of this land, we need to cooperate and come together with one mind, with one unity to conquer the battle in our land, because we are really facing war in this land of Uromi. The advice to Uromi youth now is for us to cooperate and come together as one brother, as love, to fight the battle, to rescue our people from this danger, because they are in danger, they are in sorrow. Now, our parents, they don't longer go to farm. Inemaya Yugbo, Abamaya Yugbo, Ivyo Kutriyo Maya Yugbo. Why? The result of this killing. And all those people, how can we wipe them away? How can we stop this mess in our land? It's for the whole youth in the land of Uromi to come together with one mind and drive away those people so that there will be peace in this land. Your police are not moving from nowhere. If I learn where man, time in that parabolate, a block it quick walk. The motor every time they don't have it say, I'm here to 200. I'm here so I can so this station at 600,000 belly, at 500,000 belly. All your need my tire, your need garage now. My only again. They stop what is happening in the bush because my site is away. One my bono if when way my gurudo complete Arab general now because of AB soon the land. So let the youth of Uromi come together with one mind to fight this battle. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.